That hasn't been started for ages. It's not been on a battery tender. Yeah, all good. That's not been started for about 7 months. Beautiful. Sounds mega. With that micron exhaust, sounds absolutely awesome. Right, I'm going to leave the main bike, I'm going to leave the Fireblade in here and just work around that. And this thing is so much fun. Honestly, this is absolutely incredible. It's such a good laugh. And I know I've got my XT600, which I absolutely love, but I am considering letting that go because now I've got this. I'm not going to use it. And I love the look of the XT600, but it ain't going to get used now I've got this for green lane. Right, let's finish the skating. I've nearly done it actually. I just wanted to take all the bikes out so I could reposition them and give the floor a good clean. So a few tools to take out into the workshop for next door, tidy up, put the bikes back, and then we're done in here. Right, normally goes wrong when I measure stuff. What's that old saying? Measure twice, cut once, I think is the saying. Hopefully it works. In fact, I'm going to cut the outside because I don't want to get it under the tiles. That's good. Happy days. Right, just glue that down and then we're done. Just silicone sealant for this, nothing too fancy. That'll definitely do the trick. Well, I know it has because I've secured all the skirting all the way around the workshop with silicone, and it's done the job. There's a spider there. Go on, you're going to get stuck. He lives down there. Big spider. Right. Oh, I knew this would happen. I'm going to have to take a little bit more off here. That's better. Right, that's a good fit, that. That's it. Job's a good un. Right, that's all around the perimeter. I just need to put a door seal on there. That goes upstairs into the office block. All around there, it's done. Look at them cuts. I'm well impressed. That one behind there was a bit of a nightmare because I had to cut the skirting height down a bit because there's pipes in the way. All done. Gonna have a tidy up, clean up, and then we'll get the bikes back in. Right, I've had to put my old bear house on because it's so cold and it's peeing it down. I've got all the bikes outside. I'm absolutely gutted, so they're all soaked. Right, that's all the floor done. Just need to give it a quick clean, and we're done. Got this thing here, it's brilliant. You just like squirt and rub, squirt and rub. So I'll tell you about the tiles, and so these are from a company called Wow Tiles, and the first set of tiles I put down were the PVC tiles, which were absolutely brilliant, but where the sun was coming through the main door, this area here, the tiles were sort of lifting a bit, and I thought it was down to not putting enough of an expansion gap down the edge, so I lifted up all the perimeter and cut in a new bigger expansion gap of about 10 mil, which was massive, and they were still lifting in the middle, so I thought it's got to be the sun hitting the the tiles and the concrete underneath. So anyway, I looked on the company website and I spoke to the owner at WOW, and he was sound. He basically said, it does say on the website, if you're exposed to sunlight, it's advisable to glue them down in the area where the sun hits. So I thought, I didn't really want to start gluing tiles. And I looked on the website and he said, have you looked at the vented tiles? They've just come in. So we did a bit of a deal and I bought some vented tiles, pulled up the PVC ones, and the PVC ones will get put to use in the workshop next door. So they're not going to go to waste. So they will get used, and I probably will glue them down in the area where the sun hits the workshop. And it's absolutely pissing it down. I'm gutted. All the bikes are out there. They're going to get absolutely drenched. Well, they are. They're already drenched. Watch it. Don't slip. Hey, he looks cool, doesn't he, in his Honda t-shirt? And this is the plan. I'm going to try and get Oliver into the workshop next door this year and get him to do some spannering with me. What do you think? Yeah? Well, he's well up for it. So, yeah, we'll get him in there. In fact, I could help us with the jigsaw, the K1. Right, that's it all. I've got to get the bikes in now. Done a good job. Cheers, bro. Watch it now, because I don't want to slip. Good, isn't it, this? Hey, so you're going to come and help do some spannering? Good lad. Right, let's get my bikes in. Right, I've got all the bikes in. Jigsaw's up on the ramp next door, as is the XT600, but all the bikes are bloody soaked, so I'm going to have to dry all these off now. Apart from the blade, because I kept that in here. But, yeah, as soon as I took the bikes outside, it started absolutely chucking it down. So, gutted. But anyway, that's the floor, guys. I finished it, and I think it's looking pretty good. Drop us a comment, let me know what you think, and if you want to buy them tiles, a company called WOW Tiles. Really, really good quality, super easy to fit, and look great, very durable. Right, I'm going to dry the bikes off and go have a cup of tea inside. It's chucking it down. I fancied a ride, but my jaw's still sore from my surgery the other day. But yeah, I'm really happy with these floor tiles. I think they look wicked. They look really, really good. So right, I'm going to go dry off and then have a cup of tea. So I'll see you on the next vlog.